begins. Well, here we are, folks. Primitive camping. Got a fire ring right there. That's pretty sweet. A little prep table. Lantern pole. And woods. Woods all around. Love it, love it, love it. Alright, well, let's get set up. I've got this air mattress here, and this is perfect for this type of situation when you don't have hookups, when you're not plugging in, you don't have any shore power, you're just out here in the woods like I am. It comes with this little thing here, and how this works is you screw this onto here and then you squeeze the air in there. It saves your lungs and you don't need electricity, so I'm gonna get that done. pretty comfortable, doesn't it? So peaceful and quiet out here. Very quiet. That's nice. You've been working all day and loud noises all around you all the time. This is nice. A nice change of pace. I was just walking through the woods here, and I came across this site, and somebody built a little structure there. That's pretty cool. Somebody was trying out their bushcraft techniques they saw on YouTube videos. Yep. Yeah, throw a tarp over that and you got your little tent. Some creative people. Yeah, that's a little bushcraft shelter there. Pretty cool. Well, it's time to get a fire started. Get something to eat here. I'm gonna set you down here. There we go. Time to light up the fire. I like to start with these little ones like this. Just helps it start up real easy before I put the big ones on there. We'll let that catch up for a minute, and we'll get something to eat. Okay. I forgot to bring all my cooking supplies. So I've got the stuff to cook, but no way to cook it. So I'm going to improvise a little bit. A little redneck ingenuity here. Sometimes you do what you gotta do. And this is what I gotta do. And you'll see why I'm doing this in a minute. Empty. Okay. You'll understand in a minute. You'll get it. Just hang on. You'll get it. Alright, well, I'm going to have to get a little bit crafty. I'm going to make a little something here, but you know, this is therapy for me, being out here in the woods by myself. Get creative with things, especially when you forget to bring the things that you need. But I guess I can figure it out. I can pretty much make whatever I need to get by with. And that's true for life too, guys. We're not always supplied with the tools that we need to get through our day-to-day, but we figure it out. We don't ever give up, and we keep working. And we make it happen. Like this, and you'll see what this is for in a minute. But for right now, that's what we got. It'll all come together, I promise you. Just keep watching, keep watching. It'll all come together and make perfect sense. Fire going pretty good, but man, I got to show y'all this. This is just, I bought this candle and it said it changes colors. Well, check this out. I didn't turn nothing on. It ain't got no batteries. That's pretty cool. All right, this is not the same bottle as the butter and honey. This right there. Let's see how the butter's do. Oh yeah, butter and honey's melted up real good. All right, we're gonna just let that cook. This is the life, y'all. This is the life. Hey, you know what? You just figure it out. Alright, I'll get back at you in a minute. Alright, I'm going to take this right here. Try to open it up. save that guy for a minute. Remember that thing that I made? Alright, we're going to give that some time to cook. Make it happen. Okay guys, I hope this is capturing it all, but I found this little bowl in my truck. And here's my soup. Now I got my honey butter. Drench that up real good with honey butter. It worked. Man, that's good. I'll dip it in my soup here. Well, this is dinner, guys. It's time to turn in. I'm gonna crawl in here and get some sleep, and I will see y'all in the morning. Good night, guys. Man, I hope y'all can hear this. I don't know if it's loud enough for y'all to hear it. coyotes. Sounds like they're behind me, a pretty good distance off, I think. I hope. Yeah, it's been going on for a little while now. I heard something a little while ago rustling the leaves back there behind me. That kind of stirred me up a little bit, and then this started. I'm gonna try to get back to sleep. I think they got something. They got something. Well, good morning, everybody. Looks like it's daylight outside now, so I'm gonna get up and get this day started. Well, it was a crazy night. Bunch of coyotes got into something back there behind me, and my air mattress got a hole in it. So every 20 minutes I was waking up to pump air back into my airbed. So I didn't get much sleep, but that's alright. We got to get going here. We'll make something to eat. Gonna get creative again. Let's do it. Okay, for the type of cooking I'm about to be doing on the campfire here, you're going to need heat, but not necessarily flames. So what I'm going to do is I've got the fire going, and I'm going to spread those coals out. And just let it radiate the heat. And I'm also going to lower that grate just a little bit to make sure I get most of the heat coming off the coals. I'm going to let it burn down just a little bit more, then I'm going to spread them out and get a good heat base going, because I don't want flames for what I'm about to be doing. So check this out. Alright, yeah, that's good and hot. Alright. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cooking some of these on the campfire. It's going to be delicious. Those cook a little bit. Okay, I went ahead and did up the whole batch. I didn't have to throw them out, but I'm not going to be able to eat all this. But look at that, nice golden brown. I set that icing on the back of the grate there and let it melt, so it's nice and melted and ready to go. So now I'm just gonna take them off and enjoy. Ooh, that's hot. Hot, hot. just like Mama used to make. I'm going to eat this and get started packing up. All good things must come to an end sooner or later. There it is, all packed up. Clean campsite. Always remember, leave your campsite clean. Pick up all your garbage and whatever's left behind from other people. Keep it clean, looking nice. Alright. Well, it was a good trip despite the despite the sleeping problems with the coyotes and my airbed and all that good stuff. But hey man, it is what it is. It was still a lot of fun being out here in nothing. But hey, if you like this kind of stuff, click subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when I upload another video. And if you're really into it, you can check out my North Georgia Loop playlist. I've got a playlist on YouTube, the North Georgia Loop. I visited all the state parks in North Georgia. Give a nice review and stuff like that. So just go to my page, hit playlist, go down to North Georgia Loop, and you'll see it there. But until next time, stay safe, happy, healthy, and free. I'll see you in the next one. See you guys. Almost forgot. It's cooled off now. Can't forget this.